So Gary Tan, the CEO of Y Combinator, has a perspective on voice AI. Let's hear him out, and then you'll hear my thoughts on this.
Usage-based pricing is $9 per hour. And it sort of points to a sort of powerful thing. Like if I were a macro trader, I would be very, very bearish on countries that rely very heavily on call centers right now, because $9 an hour is sort of right there at what a call center would cost.
This is another thing we're definitely seeing within the batch, right? Like it's clear that voice is almost like a killer app, like arguably. Like there's a company I just worked with in this batch, or in my group at least, Domu, just do sort of AI voice for debt collection, and their traction is just phenomenal. It's working incredibly well.
A whole bunch of the voice apps in S24 were just like some of the fastest growing, like just like explosive companies. It was a clear trend for S24. And I remember working with companies in the prior two batches that tried to do voice, and it just like wasn't working well enough.
Yeah,
like the latency
pause.
was too high. Exactly. Like it got confused with interruptions and things like that. And it's like just turned the corner where it's like finally working.
Okay, so in the latest batch of Y Combinator, there's a slew of voice AI automation companies, and it's starting to work well across niches. But here's what they're missing. The ultimate voice experience would take you seamlessly from the virtual agent to a human, and it could even sound like the same voice. So as humans need to step in, and you'll need to have humans in the loop, the human can take over where the virtual agent is failing, and so that's going to be a winning strategy. And you could make it seamless. You can have people offshore still stepping in, sounding more Americanized or Americanized. Let's say if that's how the virtual agent sounds, with the exact same voice, taking over seamlessly to finish out the call, the sale, or the support. And so the hybrid approach will be more robust and will be a winning strategy.